fuck. Ooh, that was close. Oh my God, you son of a bitch!
Also a failure at this. What's up, y'all? Today we got Mitch's big rig here in the lift post. Gonna get down. We got to go through and we're gonna re-torque a lot of the stuff from the lift kit. They ask you in the directions to go through and re-torque a bunch of the major things after a few thousand miles here and there, just to make sure everything's tight. So that's what we're gonna do today. Mitch is down there torquing up little radius arm stuff, you know. Little hey. How's it looking down there, Hitchens? What we got going on? That's a way to not get leverage for 175 foot-pounds.
You fucker.
Yeah, click it again.
I'm fucking hip checking here.
I didn't know you were hip checking. You were over there dialing it.
I am. I dialed up.
He was dialing it up.
I dialed up and I hip check.
Hip check. All right, 175 BZ on the hip check.
Can I get a 15, 16?
Wrench?
Yeah.
Yeah, got you.
Should be fine. I'm gonna do it from this side.
No, what's in this here? Let's see, where are we at? Where are you? 7/8. Let's give him the snap-oniest right here. Make sure he's got the most expensive version of the wrench we could find.
Clickingtons.
Look at him, look.
This is like no leverage king here.
Give me the click. There it is, buddy. Yahtzee.
That's all shoulder. Matt's shoulder would have been out.
Yeah, it'd have blown out, but I wouldn't have been laying under like that.
That's true.
I'd have clicked it with my belly. I could feel the tingle. I love that logo.
Oh, hold on.
Let's see if you can do it.
Let me see if I can fucking...
You're going to crotch it?
Watch this inner groin action here, boys.
Crotch it. That ain't gonna work.
Yeah, well...
175 pieces on the thigh? That's not happening, son.
Oh.
A little posture change to the outside.
A little heavy duty action.
A little heavy duty action. Look at Harry Potter. Not really Harry Potter. You look intellectual with those, I'm not gonna lie.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. What
No,
kind
not
of,
like in Harry Potter.
What kind of size wrench you need?
This size.
Getting down. Okay, that's really helpful.
It's a 15. It's an inch and a 16th, I think.
Oh, the size in your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant this size, like the size of the nut or bolt.
Actually, I'd probably look at the torque numbers on these.
Okay, that's fine. Need torque numbers. Torque numbers. Let's go.
Like the Dementors. They're coming down. Dementors? Like Harry Potter? No, not like Harry Potter.
He's talking over there. 150 foot-pounds.
Cool.
150 for these ditties.
Buddy.
Nice.
I need what's this? Can I get another inch and a 16th?
Double wrench it up, baby. What do you mean? You want to just double wrench it on the nut that's there because you can't put the torque wrench in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine, bro. Let's see, inch and eighth inch. Aha. There she is, inch and 16th. Good old Craftsman never fails. There you go, player.
They're on.
That's the good and tight.
How about pull my shoulder out there, pull the mat?
Yeah, I know the feeling.
Oh.
Guys, you'll see us often reference to shoulder comments about me. It's because in my right shoulder I have this, it's called reoccurring cuff dislocation. I tore my shoulder like 15 years ago, and if I just put it in the wrong position, it just like falls out. It's painful and it's pretty stupid. Should get surgery, but you know.
Torque daddy.
Oh, there's a snap. They don't know me, son. They don't know me, son.
I guess I should look at the torque specs.
Install the pan underbar drop bolts, only fastener. This is the pan hard is 95 foot-pounds. Steering arm, stock pitman arm, blah 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 blah. Factory torque. So 275 is for this biggie up here, and then this
For the
should
Pitman?
be 115. The one you're on right here is 115.
All right.
And then the big Pitman is 275. Look at that big boy, 275. What are you doing?
Setting the torque. The torque value.
This is for which one? The ball joint up here on the Pitman arm?
Yeah.
There it is.
Do this one now. There we go.
Yeah, this is 275 foot-pounds. It's going to take a little bit of leverage. There we go, 275, baby!
They call him the one-handed champ.
They call him the one-handed champ, 7-foot-tall man, something that never can.
Oh, fuck. I lost my grip.
Can't even get it.
Hold on.
You can't even get it.
I can't, hold on.
He just checked off 270 fizzle. He can't even click off 95.
That's just really awkward, man.
That's that 7-foot-tall fatigue.
That's fucking awkward.
Fatigue. It's not built to last.
What the fuck?
Can't click it.
I can't.
There it is.
There she goes.
Let's go. For what are? Go back up.
Oh, sorry. For the factory leaf spring bolts.
Oh yeah, the old front eye, the leaf used to go there. They replace it with this bracket that gets bolted up, boom, boom, and the 4 links come off of that. Pretty cool. Now, what are these good torque to? You said it already.
225.
2.2 fizzy. You can handle it?
Yeah, we should be all right.
You think you can handle it?
I don't know. This is probably it.
Should I play the game and let Mitch just figure out what size these are by going back and forth?
Yeah, shut the fuck up. Oh, there's one.
You want me to use the force? You want me to just,
That one's a little bigger.
Just give it a little one of these, a little bit of. It's gonna be 1.1 1/8. Oh, it's bigger than this. We were so wrong.
You was for food.
Quite wrong. It's actually 1 5/16. So I got to use this relic from a bygone era. This 1-inch drive. Let's see who makes this socket. Right. This thing's probably was made in like the 60s. Same with this adapter that I got. Boom. Look at that. And now we got to bring her down to a 1/2-inch step. So we need one of these. Open the Big Daddy standards lower. One lower. Yeah. All right, let's grab 5/16 out. Look at these guys. These are all Snap-onious. Talk about spending $1 on a fatty set of wrenches. I bought these back, had to be 15 years ago now. And they've seen a lot of this. And they still look great.
What?
Well, yeah, the way you're holding it's hard.
Oh, fuck. Retarded.
Yeah, bro. Mitch, I got a real question for you, though. What do you think about that UFC fighter, Patchy Mix? What do you think about that name? Not him.
How long you been with her?
How long have you been with her? All right, give me the torqueums. Does it go over nice? Oh yeah, cool. There you go. See, now you can push up. You want me to hold down?
Yeah, hold down. Oh shit! Oh shit! The big dog's hurting here.
Big dog's hurting. You can't even do the 270 fizzle.
This is 3 hunch.
This is 3
It's just a weird angle, bro.
Shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth! Oh.
Come on. Let the little round tank get down there and do it.
Hold this.
I'm holding it?
Yeah.
It's really hard for me to hold it while you're doing that.
We might not have to record.
How about you let the tank try it? Let me get a little belly down there and give it a shot, player. Get up.
Alright.
Alright, guys. We're going to see if we can do this. I might just be talking a lot of shit.
We'll see.
That's a little
The
loose.
3 hunch is too much. It's a weird angle for you, boy.
Oh, it's rough with this little bar. You don't have a lot of room with this bar.
You don't have much leverage.
Okay. Oh, that's hard.
She's hot.
I'm trying.
I know.
Give me a second. Give me another click, baby. Give me another click, baby. I just want to put my shoulder up against it like this. No, fuck, it's so hard.
All right, here.
No.
We're gonna.
I'm not done.
Let me hold.
No, I'm not done. No, I give up.
That boy's beat.
It's hard.
Done.
Bro, we need like a fucking pole for this. We'll get one. Did you just say to me?
I got it. I'm about to get it.
Why? Because I showed you a
Because I
technique?
seen you tech.
You think you're going to be able to get all 4 of them right now?
Yeah.
Time number 3. Mitch claims since I showed him a leverage technique, he's going to be able to do it right now.
Oh, fuck. Ooh, that was close. Oh, my God. You son of a bitch!
Also a failure at this. Mitch, as you could tell, could not complete the torque given the technique that I showed him, whatever it was. Failure as well. You hear him screaming over there? You hear him screaming? He thinks he's going to get it? He ain't going to get it, guys. He ain't going to get it. You can feel the tingle.
Oh, my God. Oh, yeah, I got a turn there, baby. Hold on.
Did you click it?
Hold on.
Could you feel the tingle?
Yeah! Fucker. We're using the belly trick with the. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, double
Fuck.
click. Oh, this side, you got the leverage or what?
No.
No?
No. 3 on done.
3 hundo. Hey!
Let's try and do this one real quick.
He's trying to just jump right on the next, guys. He's got it in when that adrenaline's running, you know what I'm saying? Oh.
Oh, sorry, Matt.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. Go. You're good. Hey!
Shit, those were fucking.
You have to bang her out. Watch your fist. There you go.
U-bolts were. One of them was kind of loose. I got about like 5 or 6 turns on it.
No way.
Yeah, way. But these ones are really tight. I can't really get it with the torque.
Is this the U-bolts for the back spring or for the panhard bar here?
These are just for the
big bar on top, the panhard bar?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, up there, because the U-bolts
Yeah.
for the leaf bags are over, or for the air bags are over on this side. But I don't think those are going to see as much stress as the ones you're touching now.
Yeah.
Because that's just this is all left-right movement of the axle and whatnot. She's a thick girl. I'll tell you what, the worst part about working on anything, guys, is not knowing the size of the hardware and having to get in and out. Too small?
Yeah, it's an 8.
Here, take the 8. That one fit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about the back side of it?
Same.
Same? Okay, let me get another one. Or you want a socket for it, for the wrench?
Socket.
Should be 8. Oh, bingo. Here you go, player. Socket.
These are 200, right? Hold on.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Yeah. 2 haunch.
2 haunch, guys, 2 haunch.
I don't know which way that's gonna go. It's gonna go up. I need to bring this down.
So tighten that up there.
Oh shit! How you doing? Oh my god!
Oh!
We're good. There's a lot. Let's change oil on this bad girl.
Let's do it. Let's change the Earls.
Comes down.
Comes right down, and then
What's up?
you change it out. There should be a little seal too as well that you change out on it.
Yeah, I got a new gasket. But
Yeah.
you get an inside scoop. He just changed his oil like last
I've
week.
done this like 100 times.
Is he telling you about the oil or the fuel filter?
Well, that was a
Both.
fuel filter.
Nice.
It probably goes up this. How's it? You sit like this? How's the filter sit? You filter fish.
What is it?
Gefilte fish.
It's filter fish.
Filter
It
fish.
hooks up to the bottom of the tray,
Oh, okay.
and then this is on the bottom of the tray
Yeah.
too, so it sits like this, and then plugs
That's what I
right
thought.
in.
All right, Mitch is gonna dump some oil, I think, on the truck. Look at him, strong arm. Today, Junior. Yeah, you got to go around there. There you go, perfect. Just undo it. It's going to drip, let it fall. Just tip it back up towards your face. There you go. We got our third-party tech in the house. Also Ford Power Stroke owner. There we go. He ripped it off.
He's a G.
There it is. Oh, wow. There we go. We're fueled
It's
up.
all good. Here, I'll give you a little ride.
This is what's up in the engine bay. Up in here. This is one of the fuel filters. And there's another one down under the truck
cap.
right after the tank. Get the freshie in there. Snaps right back up.
It's smaller than 10 mil. What the fuck?
It's coming down with this one.
Is it?
Yeah.
So there was only 5.
There we go. Bring her down.
Sick.
Oh, there you go. All right, Mitch, got the new gasket for you. Oh, by the way, if you have not watched our first intro video of a shop tour and some of the cars and everything, go on our page. First off, click subscribe, like this video, notification bell, and watch all the videos in full. Thanks. All right, sorry, Mitch, he's been waiting. Here you go.
Should be good. It's cool, these bolts.
Plug back up. Slide it back up in this little cubby hole. And don't lay the trigger down once it meets. Oh, you lost the socket. Fish it out, we can find it. Oh, he's going in deep. He got the glovas. Glovas. Los glovas. It's all murky.
Round 2 here.
Just go to. Yeah, chuck it up onto there. Just chuck it up there, don't do anything else yet. All right, and then you just kind of pressurize the cylinder, start to go up there and drip in.
Keeps flowing.
I know this thing's pretty dirty, but you can get these brand new also at DynoAlley.com. I can't even see where the oil fill is from the ground.
It's all good.
I'm not kidding, guys. My arm is full reach right now. Oh, there it is. There's the flute. Oh, the fatty fits in. Let's see, should we see if he gets a little bit of overflow?
Right here, cuz.
He's his name brand. Motorcraft. Next level. Those aren't even prescription glasses. Next jug in.
Glug.
Shell buttoned up. Looking good?
Yeah, it looks good.
What a beast. This thing sucks to get out of the lift spot. I don't even know why we put it there. We didn't even end up lifting it up. But we got this little area to go. Like 58 times.